In Middle East political situation change. Pakistan enter political scenario of Middle East by Saudi Arabia agreement, and this agreement protect both countries together. When any enemy like Israel attack on Saudi Arabia or Pakistan, it's mean attack both country, and both country Saudi Arabia and Pakistan come together and fight against Israel. This is the purpose of this agreement done by the Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. Another situation, Gulf Council country cooperation, Gulf Cooperation Council and Arab League meeting completed a few days ago. On this topic, what is the situation? What is the problem? Why Israel attack on Hamas in Qatar? Qatar is the sovereign country without permission. Why? This is the question asked by Arab League and Gulf Cooperation Council to America. America sent his special invite to Israel and Qatar to tackle what is the solve this problem. What is the how we solve this problem? And America double standard with Israel, and especially invite visit Israel and Qatar also, and take both countries separately. And this is the Pakistan only Islamic country have weapon, nuclear weapon. No other Islamic country has the nuclear weapon. This is the only object that Saudi Arabia want to deal with, want to agreement with Pakistan, and Saudi Arabia want to nuclear protection from Pakistan. This is the reason that Saudi Arabia completed this agreement with Pakistan. And this is a threat for India, and this is the threat for Israel, and this is the threat for Iran. This agreement challenge for India, and challenge for Israel, and challenge for Iran. Iran is the Shia country, and Pakistan and Saudi Arabia is the Sunni country. Both Sunni Islamic country come an agreement, and Pakistan doing this agreement against India, and he thought that if India attack any time and Pakistan, then Saudi Arabia come to help Pakistan. This is the purpose of this agreement. A new situation origin in Gulf country. America always want to benefit of Islamic country, and always America playing a double standard in the Gulf country. And his friend is the Qatar, his friend Bahrain, America friend Bahrain, Qatar, Saudi Arabia. All Gulf countries the friend. No friend. If no friend, then America used this country like Afghanistan. America always want to benefit in the foreign country. Many air base make by America in the Qatar, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, another Gulf country. And America, if the Gulf country fight each other, then America not interfere in this situation. Israel attack on many Arab countries like Syria, Lebanon, Qatar, and Palestine. This is the challenge. Therefore, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia doing this. Pakistan and India always conflict. This is the main very sensitive country, both India and Pakistan. And any time war begin, any time conflict begin. This is the situation, current situation. That the Pakistan want to option, and want to agreement with another country. He attempt to agreement to China. He attempt to agreement with Russia, but Russia deny. And he attempt to Saudi Arabia, but Saudi Arabia give assent on this agreement. The one friend find Pakistan like Saudi Arabia, another friend not another friend in the only Saudi Arabia friend Pakistan in this time. So this is the challenge for India, and this is the new situation arose in the Middle East. Israel, if Israel attack on Saudi Arabia, then Pakistan help Saudi Arabia because Pakistan has the nuclear power. Therefore, Saudi Arabia do this agreement. This is my opinion. New challenge arose in Middle East, and how America deal this challenge, and how America solve this challenge. But America always use Pakistan. America not challenge. America very successful foreign policy. America has very successful diplomacy. He used Pakistan, he used Saudi Arabia, he used Qatar, Bahrain, he used Oman, Yemen, many Islamic countries used by America by diplomacy. He always support Israel, he not condemn Israel attacks, and America always use Islamic country, and Islamic country help America, like Saudi Arabia give airbase, Qatar give airbase to make airbase America. Without help, America cannot done anything in the Middle East. This is the situations, and this is my opinion about this agreement.